Hello kids! Hello kids! Welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, in this video we are practicing numbers and letters. Let's learn the colors. This is yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. This is yellow color. This is dark green color. This is dark green color. Black color. Black color. Brown color. Brown color. And this is red color. Which color? Red color. Let's start. Let's use black color.
A is for apple. Apple.
1. This is number 1.
Apple. A. Apple. B.
Can you draw like this? Take your paper and pencil. Start drawing.
Baby. B.
Number 1.
C is for candy.
Green color.
Candy. Candy. C.
2.
Candy.
This is number
D is for
2.
diamond. Diamond.
You can draw with the pencil or marker. Number 2.
Diamond. E is for elephant.
Let's draw number 3. Please watch complete video. प्यारे बच्चों पूरी वीडियो देखें.
Elephant. F is
3.
fairy.
This is number 3.
F. Fairy. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. G.
Number 3.
H is for
Next to number 3 is number 4. This is brown color.
Horse. H. Horse.
4. Number 4. क्या है बच्चों? This is number 4. Brown color. Number 4.
J is for jelly.
Let's draw number 5. We have yellow color. This is yellow color. Number 5. This is number 5. Which number? 5.
Lamb. M is for monkey.
Number 5.
Monkey.
Purple color.
Monkey.
Pink color. Brown color. Dark green color. Light green color. Sky blue color.
O is for ocean.
Orange color.
Ocean.
Let's draw these letters. Light green color.
P is for parrot. Parrot.
Letter A.
Parrot. P.
This is letter A. A is for apple. A is for apple.
Queen. Q.
Purple color.
R is for rainbow.
Letter B.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
This is letter B.
Rainbow. S is for sun.
Purple color. Letter B.
Sun.
B is for banana. B is for banana.
Telephone. Telephone.
Sky blue color.
Telephone. T. Telephone. U
C.
is for uncle.
This is letter C. C is for cherries.
Uncle.
C is for cherry.
V is for violin.
Letter C.
Violin. Violin. V.
Dark green color.
W is for water.
Letter D.
Water. Water.
This is
W.
letter D.
Water.
D is for
X
duck.
is for box.
And
Box.
pink color. This is pink color.
X.
Letter
Box.
E.
Y is for yellow.
Letter E. E is for elephant. Letter E.
yellow.
E is for
Z is for
elephant.
zebra. Z,
प्यारे
z,
बच्चों, we have done the
zebra.
practice.
Z,
Let's
z,
revise.
zebra.
1,
Z,
2, 3,
zebra.
4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Dear kids, you also do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.